Hey kids, ready for a magical adventure? Follow our brave red dragon, wise blue dragon, and swift green dragon as they uncover the mystery of the Moonstone. One peaceful evening, the dragons heard a soft, enchanting melody drifting through the air, said to come from the legendary Moonstone. The wise blue dragon explained that the Moonstone was a magical gem that sang to those who listened with open hearts, spreading harmony wherever it went. Eager to discover its secret, the dragons flew toward the melody, following its sound through forests and valleys under the moonlight. At last, they found the Moonstone resting in the center of a tranquil glade, its soft glow lighting up the surrounding trees. The brave red dragon stepped closer, feeling the melody's warmth in its heart and promising to protect the Moonstone's song. The swift green dragon noticed that the melody changed when they stood together, becoming stronger and more harmonious.